The first thing I experienced in a Coco class was his emphasis on ritual, his emphasis on going to the limits, going to the places where you don't usually go to act them out. I found that there was a lot of catharsis work, which was very nice. Generally, I was not used to going into such intensity in a Butoh class. Butoh classes can be very intense, but a Coco Butoh class in particular, I felt was something that just stops you in your tracks. This is a Butoh class from Coco. Coco uses the instruments, uses his voice, and just his presence alone keeps everybody going and going till the very end. And one thing I can definitely say about a Coco class is that you are not the same person as when you began. When you leave a Coco class, something will have happened to you.
In the beginning of this year, I had a very interesting experience because I was invited to teach with other Butoh teachers in Turkey, Teatro Medresi, in a very beautiful place in the mountains. And in this place, I met this strange, interesting, super focused Butoh dancer named Adam Cohen. In Adam's classes, I felt always some kind of challenge. I felt like I was with so much exposure. I also had like very deep troubles and remembers, and it really opened some doors to my Butoh daily practice, to my way of viewing things. It really opened me somehow into a very different qualia, into a very different, into Adam's universe and Adam's way of integrating Butoh to his life and to his artistic research. So I'm very, I feel happy and I feel honored and with a lot of energy to start this new project together, because I know that this time will be we'll go further than the last time. And this is also one part of Adam's thinking that I really like, is that he has this interest and he has this will to go beyond limits and to go beyond last challenges.